Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing VRUS, WSFT, BDCO, ILUS, ZNOG, MAXD, INSO, GTOR, EFOI, HUSA, and NINE. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, lackluster ending to the week. We saw just 1,591 advancers to 2,207 decliners on the OTC markets. But the most shocking aspect was the volume. Just $1.1 billion traded on the entire OTC markets. That's about half normal, very, very low volume, very light. Volumes have been light across the board, but this is, even lighter than normal. And, we're way down. We're the average daily volume around 2.2 billion. That's half of what we were seeing in the good times in February 2021. So a little depressing about the volume, but we think that's going to change with Webull coming onto OTC markets, allowing trading. We think Robinhood will be behind that soon after, and that will get the volumes going again. A few names to talk about. VRUS is just a $262,000 market cap. They put out a PR that some people are questioning about floored cannabinoid-based SKUs. Just some drama going on about VRUS, and it rallied 137%, and then the market tanked down 42% the next day, and then down 9% today. So rather disappointing, giving back those gains. What we here at InsiderFinancial.com, we're looking for the multi-day runners because a lot of our subscribers don't have time to be day trading. So when you can build a position, a nice swing trade, and then see it play out over the next few days, that's what we try to do here at InsiderFinancial.com. Make sure to go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, sign up with your email and your mobile number, and the best part is it is free. We run a free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever here at InsiderFinancial.com. Big talk of the OTC markets is WSFT. Just a $33 million market cap, ran 351% on Thursday. ILUS guys are getting involved. ILUS is one of the most popular names on the OTC markets. The CEO Nick Link and chairman he was appointed chairman of Wikisoft, and ILUS managing director John Paul Backwell. These guys know what they're doing. They know how to build a company. They know how to raise financing. They know what they're doing, and the 351% jump on Thursday is warranted. Last week I talked a lot about the ILS OTC markets drama. I suggest you go and check out my video if you haven't already talked about it, seen it yet, with the whole George Sharp going after ILUS and Brett Rosen. I added my thoughts. And ILUS is just rock solid support here at 10 cents. So everyone's just sort of ignoring George Sharp. They realize he's a clown and he's a basher, and he's just trying to divert attention from his fiascos at HMBL and many others. BDCO, this one has just a $27 million market cap. What can I say? I mean, just huge news. Just in the first quarter alone, net income of $3.5 million. Gross profit 6.6 million. I mean, it's just making money hand over fist. It's a independent refiner and marketer of refined petroleum products in the Eagle Ford Shale. That's one of the most prolific areas in the continental U.S. for oil and gas. BDCO, I mean, this has just been an incredible multi-day runner. This is what we're talking about here. From the middle of May, just May 10th, it was at 40 cents to run all the way to $2 here. This is a 5-bagger, 5X. We like to see these opportunities. There's still these types of plays on the OTC markets, particularly in the good quality companies with low floats, low market caps. These non-dilution pigs. Stay away from these diluting pigs. You're going to get a lot of heartbreak, and you're going to pay the price in the long run. Another oil and gas play making major moves is ZNOG. This is Zion Oil and Gas. They put out an update on May 11th. They're drilling for oil and gas in Israel. They have a 99,000 acre license. Just these guys know what they're doing. They're in the right spot. They're one of the few companies that have licenses in Israel. Israel is sitting on a lot of oil and gas, and this one is certainly one you want to be playing. I'll talk about a few other plays here on the NASDAQ and NYSE, but crude oil, WTI closed at 118, Brent 119. Buffett is loading up on Chevron here at 52-week highs. Oil and gas plays are the right sector to be in. Guys, I did a video for everyone. The other, which one was it? Load up all our videos here. Talking about sector analysis, the importance of sector analysis in trading and investing. Suggest you go and check out my past videos. I try to give lessons in all of them, help you guys as much as possible. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, just trying to help guide you guys along the markets. I'm not trying to play into diamond hands, paper hands, or FUD. Just trying to guide you as to where opportunities are. Remember, there's always opportunities. There's always a bull market somewhere. If you're getting hit in crypto or tech and it's not working out for you, oil and gas plays like ZNOG, BDCO, these are working out. So again, go where the bull market is, and if the other sectors, just slowly build your position. But again, don't blow your entire wad on some of these plays. You always want to have cash, and you always want to be booking profits. It's all about P&L at the end of the day. Next up, guys, is MAXD. This is just a $8 million market cap. A lot of people talking about this one. OTC chairman, who we follow on and follows us here on Twitter. No dilution. Company recently made a new Twitter. One of the few companies trading in the double zeros with a potential to hit, he's saying, 300% short term. As per recent tweets, we can expect a lithium related news to drop next week. So we got catalysts coming up next week. A lot of volume, a lot of people accumulating here. It's just a double zero here. And this one, we think this one has a lot more room to run. Next up, guys, is INSO. Has just a pink yield symbol. So this one here is making major moves with just the yield. So once it goes pink current, that's going to get even more eyes on it. The company. Tulsa, Oklahoma-based Yields Management Group has acquired a controlling interest in the company. They're going to be changing the symbol, registering with FINRA. The state of Wyoming officially changed the name and trading symbol. The company's primary focus is providing products and services to emerging agricultural markets, including the fast-growing legal cannabis industry. The company is negotiating to purchase a 60,000 square foot facility in Tulsa to house the company's headquarters and subsidiaries as the company grows. Again, just a $5 million market cap. Nice press release. We can expect more news, more catalysts, and especially once it goes pink current, that will even get light up the stock even more. Next up, guys, is GTOR. Nice chart here. Has run from 2 cents to 7 cents in the past couple of days. We like seeing this. It's an esports player. They put out a press release on May 31st. They signed a deal valued at over $100 million. We're looking for more details on this deal, but definitely a lot to get excited about, and one to put on your radar screen and keep your eye open. Lastly, guys, our three on the EFOI is on the NASDAQ, HUSA, NYSE, and NINE is on the NYSE as well. If you look at EFOI, 102 million shares traded today, just 5.7 million in the float. So this float turned over 20x. Closed the day up 48%. Great seeing this type of volume. When you can get this type of volume, this is when you get these incredible moves. So again, low floats, particularly, on the NASDAQ, NYSE, we love these under 10 million share floats. A lot of other traders do, and you just get in, you get the algorithms, and things go nuts. So a nice move on Friday in EFOI. Next up, guys, is HUSA. I talked about this one last week. Nice week this week, up 74%, closed the week. This is just an oil and gas play. 11% of the float is short. Just 9 million shares in the float, $48 million market cap. Again, closing here near the highs of the day. This one was $16 back in March. We see this one as just squeezing the shorts, and just a lot of opportunities in HUSA. This is one you want to have on your radar screen if it already isn't. Lastly, guys, is NINE, another oil and gas play. This one has 14% of the float short. Rock solid support here at the 250 level. We're just under $4. Again, this one ran to $8 back in March. A lot to like with this one. Forward PE of just trading at 5 times earnings. Again, oil and gas play, oil prices expected to continue climbing. You got Putin's war in Ukraine. So there's just a lot of catalysts to keep the momentum going. So overall, we like what we saw this week. Had some 2 nice alerts for our subscribers. We've got more coming next week, doing a lot of screens, looking for more low float, no dilution plays for our subscribers. Make sure you sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email and your mobile number. Signing up with your mobile is so important because we release all of our profiles at the opening bell, and text messages are the fastest way to get all of our full profiles. We send the symbol and a link to the full report that you can check out. Works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And with that being said, guys, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. Let's continue to crush June. And overall, we like what we're seeing in the action in pennies. And we're going to have plenty of opportunities with upcoming alerts for our subscribers this week. Have a great weekend, everyone. Be coming live to you Monday after bell with a new video. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.